Ay kahit ko na dito, ay masori dyan pirat, teka, ito ka sa kalo. Ay masori dyan pirat, teka, ito ka sa kalo. Di mamahalo, ay kahit ko na dito, di mamahalo.
Like us can make a difference to this place if we put our resources and volunteers to make this place a better place to live.
And now Shikari Shambhu come to help the hunter.
Let's go!
Now they are very happy they caught the lion. Now they see the lion is not there.
क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ कब हुआ अब क्या बताएं
Lion has escaped from the net.
क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ कब हुआ क्यों हुआ जब हुआ कब हुआ अब हुआ ये सुनो क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ
Now we are showing the cast. They are saying that I should be there for you. See, the small minds have done wonders. Yeah, lion. Now he's become their friend. Yeah, this was by the standard 3rd and 4th students. It happens only in India by KG section. They are showing the beauty, Indian beauty, by showing Kangna, Payal and Bindiya in their dance. All its flavors. Friends, do you know why India is the land of attraction? Let me tell you its variety that we find in India. We are proud of its history, culture, glorious past, great religion, civilization of India. It has been the land of great people. So, today's evening is filled with a lot of variety for you all. Wait and watch.
जहाँ पाँव में पायल हाथ में कंगन हो माथे पे बिंदिया happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन हो, माथे पे बिंदिया. जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए. जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए. मुंह से तो कुछ ना बोले, चुपके चुपके नीर बहाए. जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए. मुँह से तो कुछ ना बोले, चुपके चुपके नीर बहाए. और मशकों से अपने लिख कर भेजे प्यार की चिट्ठियाँ. जहाँ दिन निकले सुनकर श्लोक गुरबानी और अजान. जहाँ मजहब से ऊंचा है इंसान सारे एक समान. अरे आज नहीं है साच को चाहे देख ले सारी दुनिया. सावन के झूले कहीं पे बैसाखी के मेले. अरे सावन के झूले कहीं पे बैसाखी के मेले. लगता है खुद कुदरत इस धरती पे आकर खेले. जहाँ माँ से लोरी सुने बिना बच्चों को लाए लिया.
मिशन हाई स्कूल यहाँ पे इस एनुअल फंक्शन को मुझे बुला के यहाँ पे एक इनॉग्रेशन किया. मैं उनका आभारी हूँ. मैं सभी पेरेंट्स और बच्चे लोगों को यहाँ पे ये बोलूँगा कि अभी जो आप कार्यक्रम देख रहे थे और जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया कार्यक्रम और बच्चों ने जो भाग लिया, उनको सभी लोगों ने खड़े होके तालियां बजाना. वेरी गुड कार्यक्रम, बहुत अच्छा जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया कार्यक्रम, बहुत प्यारा कार्यक्रम जो शुरू से कार्यक्रम किया. पुलिस कर्मचारी को श्रद्धांजलि और जो भी कार्यक्रम अरेंज किया, वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड. आज इस कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से मैं यही बोलना चाहूँगा स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट को कि बम्बई शहर में आज आपने देखा होगा 26 तारीख को क्या हो गया. यहाँ पे तो स्कूल के छोटे छोटे बच्चे आए हैं, मगर उनके पेरेंट को मैं यही विनंती करूँगा कि जो अतिरेकी है वह कहाँ तक आ गए हैं, ये आपको पता चला, पूरे बम्बई वालों को पता चला. तो मैं आपको विनंती करूंगा कि आप सभी लोग अपने अपने एरिया में शांति बनाए रखें और जो भी नया आदमी आता होगा तो उसके बारे में पुलिस को खबर करते जाओ. पुलिस, बम्बई पुलिस आपके साथ में है और साथ में रहेंगी. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
टीचिंग सबकी तरफ से आपको धन्यवाद करते हैं.
हमको
Jyot Singh of Standard 4th will tell you about tribal dance.
This dance represents the cultural extravaganza of the East Indian state. Music, poetry, dance and dramas forms an integral part of the state's cultural potpourri and reflects the ethos of the state. One of the most popular form of dance that originates in the state of Orissa happens to be the Odissi tribal dance. Thank you.
The state of Orissa, the Santhal tribe inhabits the Chotanagpur plateau. They have a diverse range of tribal dances performed at the time of harvest and festivals. Let us watch the women dancers decked with sunflowers in springtime and feathers in winter dance and sway while the young boys beat the drum. 4th standard students will perform the tribal dance. clap for these children and encourage them. Very good. Request our President, Sardar Gurnam Singh Ji, to give a speech and read the report.
Management committee members, principal, teachers, parents, and dear students. First of all, I would like to greet and thank you for attending this auspicious event of our school. This school has now completed 41 years, and I feel pride to announce that in these years our institution has shown a credible performance. Guru Nanak Punjabi Sabha was formed as a charitable trust in 1957. This trust was perceived by late Dr. Shamsher Singh Jolly, who worked to his utmost zeal and nurturing it into a recognizable status that the trust holds today. The Sabha was founded not only to bring the Punjabi community together, but also to impart the teaching on the principle of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. When we started this, our immediate aim was to impart education to the downtrodden. We have been successful in our mission. The Sabha has completed 50 years of its effective function. The Sabha involves into many activities. Firstly, a charitable dispensary is running in the Gurdwara premises for the benefit of lower status poor patients. Further, the trust organizes junior nurses training courses. The student nurses on completion of training are assisted for the employment in nursing homes, hospitals, etc. The trust has been regularly organizing free medical camps. I am happy to say that when I look back to the years that just has been ended, I feel satisfied that we have achieved quite a lot. Accordingly, the name of our school has been held high by achieving good result in SSC board. It seems altogether probable because of the combined effort put in by the parents, teachers who are trying to give structured role, modeling, discipline, love and hope to our children. No doubt, our bright stars have reached the ladder of success, turning out to be qualified professionals and at present are on a good post and well settled in life. Parents are becoming aware of the present competitive world, and so it is you who have to guide and upbring your children with the content of good behavior, value duties and a national approach. For completion of these aspects, we still are in need of your cooperation and wholehearted support. We are all aware of the unwanted disaster on the 26th November and regret at the loss of eminent person and many innocents. May their soul rest in peace. Present system of education should equip the student with disaster management training so that our children are fully prepared to face the situation on that time. We have our future plans of having Junior College of Commerce and Science. We also hope to impart distance education where institution is able to conduct certificate and diploma courses. Adding to this, we have also planned to impart computer MSCIT courses. All these aspirants obviously require a large amount of fund. In addition to this, active cooperation and formidable support is too essential. To conclude my message, I express my heartfelt gratitude to one and all. Thank you.
Recent times. To mention a few, we had various competitions held in our school. Example, elocution, best out of waste, singing, fancy dress, etc. We also have Gurmat classes for our students. we secured 94.44% at the primary school certificate examination conducted by the Education Department of Maharashtra. At the Maths International Inter-Schools exams, the percentage of the third standard was 97.44% and that of the fourth standard was 100%. With the support and the encouragement of our management, administrator and principal, we have tried to give enough happiness to keep them happy by the playway methods of teaching. The AV room provides joyful learning. We give our students enough determination to make each day a better day than yesterday. So I conclude with a thank you to you, dear parents, with a gratitude for being serving persons, sharing persons, giving persons, and above all, loving persons. Thank you.
People throw colored water and powders, gulal, and make merry. Singing, dancing, and the traditional beats of dhol add to the gaiety of the occasion. On this day, even the royals of Rajasthan don a festive spirit and mingle with the commoners. The colorful festival of Holi is played in many different ways. The Mali or gardener community of Rajasthan has a unique style where the men color women with water and women repellite by hitting them with sticks or long pieces of cloth. Thank you.
Marathi natak Yugantar. Entertainment. So I'll tell you one joke. Father asked the son, "Son, are you ready for tomorrow's examination?" Son replies, "Yes, Daddy. My shoes are polished, my shirt and trousers are ironed. There is ink in my pen too, but I have yet to study."
नमन करिया ज्योतिबाला जाने स्त्री मुक्तीला जन्म दिला. नमन करिया ज्योतिबाला जाने स्त्री मुक्तीला जन्म दिला. सन 1800 सालात स्त्रिया होत्या अज्ञानात. सन 1800 सालात स्त्रिया होत्या अज्ञानात. स्त्रिया वाचाय शाळा नव्हती ग स्त्री घरात बंदीवान होती. स्त्रिया वाचाय शाळा नव्हती ग स्त्री घरात बंदीवान होती. उठले राजा राम मोहन राय बघून स्त्रीवरचा अन्याय. उठले राजा राम मोहन राय बघून स्त्रीवरचा अन्याय. गणेशचंद्र विद्यासागर बंदी घाला बाल विवाहावर. गणेशचंद्र विद्यासागर बंदी घाला बाल विवाहावर.
स्त्री घराघरातून बाहेर आली आणि पुरुषांच्या खांद्याला उलटू लागली.
देवा दशपथ स्त्री पुरुष समानतेची ग.